थ्रोट अफेक्शन इन होम्योपैथिक में ट्रामेडिका। इंट्रोडक्शन। थ्रोट अफेक्शन का अर्थ है गले से संबंधित एक्यूट या क्रोनिक रोग। इसमें टॉन्सिलाइटिस, फायरिंगाइटिस, डिप्थीरिया, सोअर थ्रोट, यूरी अल्सरेशन, ड्राइनेस, इन्फ्लेमेशन आदि शामिल होते हैं। होम्योपैथी में थ्रोट सिम्टम किसी मेडिसिन या कीनोट होते हैं, डायग्नोसिस और रेमेडी में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं। जनरल सिम्टम ऑफ थ्रोट अफेक्शन: पेन, बर्निंग, स्टिचिंग, स्मार्किंग, rawness, inflammation (redness, swelling, congestion, ulceration of eye, patches, diphthery, tick membrane, dryness, increased salivation, dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing solid liquid or saliva, enlarged tonsils, sensation of lump, plug, constriction in throat, hoarseness, loss of voice. Important rubrics: generalized sensation of lump, plug, ignatia, hypersulf, belladonna, pain on empty swallow solid, ignatia, tonsil, recurrent tendency, Bratia crab, sporium, diphtheric membrane, kali, bronchum, murk, aspis, ulceration, nitric acid, murk sol, lachesis. Important medicine in throat affection: belladonna, blight red throat, dry burning, tonsil swelling, painful, difficulty in swallowing, especially liquid, throat look glossy red, hypersulp, throat extremely sensitive to touch, even slightest draft of air, stitching pain in throat, suppurative tendency, tonsillitis, abscess formation, worse, cold air uncovering, merculis solubilis, ulcerated sore throat with increased salivation, feed breath, tonsils swallow with difficulty swallowing, pain extend to ear, lachesis, left side sore throat or bearing left goes to right, cannot bear any touch around the throat, color intolerance, great dryness, choking sensation, worse after sleep, phytolacca, dry blush red sore throat, pain at root of tongue when swallowing, burning pain, worse from hot drink, often indicate in follicular tonsillitis, diphtheria, apis mellifica, oedematous swelling of vulva and throat, stinging burning pain, diphtheria membrane with oedema of grostis, better from cold drink, Calibrincomicum, diphthericum, throat with cough, stingy mucus, ulcer with punch out air, pain at the root of tongue on swelling, yellow tones, tenacious discharge, ignatia, sensation of lump in throat, non-trivial by swallowing, pain worse when swallowing saliva, better solid, hysterical throat complaint. Brightia carbonica, chronic enlargement of tonsil, recurrent tonsil, especially in children, difficult swallowing, especially liquid, tendency to suppression. Nitric acid, ulcer in throat with sharp splinter-like pain, offensive odor from mouth, bleeding easily on touch, arsenicum album, burning pain in throat greater than watering, ulcer sore throat with great prostration, redness, anxiety, mercurius sinus, severe malignant diphtheria, ulcer with intense prostration, dark blackish membrane. Other remedies: keynote, cilicia, chronic suppurative tonsillitis, abscess formation, CPI, dryness in throat, sensation of plug, worse, swallowing empty, causticum, hoarseness with rawness, chronic laryngitis, sulfur, chronic sore throat, burning sensation, tending to relapse. Comparative Materia Medica. Example: belladonna with hypersulf, belladonna acute congestive, red hot throat, hypersulf, suppurative sensitive chili, lachesis with lycopodium, lachesis left right sore throat, lycopodium right left throat, ignatia with hypersulf, ignatia pain more on empty swallowing, hypersulf pain on symbol, anything with oversensitivity. Clinical condition cover acute pharyngitis, tonsillitis, follicular tonsils, chronic tonsils, diphtheria, ulcer, sore throat, pharyngeal abscess. कंक्लूजन: थ्रोट अफेक्शन इन मैटर मेडिका का महत्व है क्योंकि रेमेडी का सिलेक्शन अक्सर थ्रोट सिम्टम से कन्फर्म होता है। एक्यूट केस बेल, हाइपर, मर्क और क्रोनिक रिकरेंट केस ब्रायोनिया कैप, सिलिसिया दोनों में मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है। इंडिविजुअल ही सक्सेसफुल ट्रीटमेंट की है।